Hello, my kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Gorski again, and today we are going to be doing a little lesson on something called grab and count with ordering. So basically what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have groups of cubes out because we've done the lesson grab and count before, but we're going to add to it a little bit more. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take each set of cubes that I grabbed and I put them and I sorted them according to color. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all these cube trains together according to their color. We're going to count them, and then we're going to order them from the smallest group to the biggest one. So let's go ahead and get started. We have this yellow train, which this yellow train only has one cube. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the number 1 on this cube, so that reminds us exactly how many we have. Let's go ahead and do maybe these reds. Put these together. And now we're going to go ahead and count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our snowman number. Just like that. Let's do maybe our blue ones. And we have 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and do our white ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put a 7 right here. Okay. So now what we're going to do, let's set up our cube trains. And we're going to arrange them. We are going to put them in an order from the smallest number to the largest one. And maybe if we don't know the numbers, how they would go in order, just by looking at the number, we have the cube trains here to compare. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bump them up right onto each other, and we're going to take a look and see. We're going to compare this way. So looking here, obviously our number 1 is going to be the shortest, so he's going to go first. Then looking, who would be our next shortest? 3. Looking at our next shortest, I know 8 and 7 are really close, but 7 has 1 less cube, so it's going to go 7, and then 8. So if you were to arrange these, you would have a 1, 3, 7, then 8. They would look just like that. So you would go in a row. So that's how you would order these. Now, for my other order groups, I already have them arranged. I already have them grouped. So we could save some time doing that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these out. We still are going to count them and put a number on each one. So let's go ahead and we'll start here with our brown. 1, 2, 3. So we have another 3 here. Let's count our blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what we're going to do now, let's take a look. And I like to bump them up on each other because I could see each number for exactly what it is worth because the cubes are telling me that. So what I want to do is find my smallest one. He's going to go first. Obviously, looking at all our cubes, our smallest one is 3. So he's going to go first. Now, putting our cubes together again, who would be the next shortest one? I hope you said 5 because that is the 1. 3, 5. I think this is going to be easy to figure out. Who would come next? Who would be shorter here? 7 or 10? I hope you said 7 because you're right. 7, and then you would have 10. So notice when you're making these ordering groups, it's kind of looking like a staircase because it goes from smaller and it seems like to grow in height there. So again, you would have a 3, 5, 7, and 10. All right, let's try another set here. Here's another group. Let's count them. Let's start with our biggest stick here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put a 9 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a lot of 7s here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. So now again, we are going to bump them up on each other so we could see the true value of each number here. The cubes will tell us. Now, where would our shortest one be? 9, 2, 7, or 4? I certainly hope you said 2. And remember, that's always Mrs. Gorski's favorite number. Number 2. He's our shortest. All right, let's take a look at what we have left. 4, and 7, and 9. Who would come next? Who would be the next shortest? I hope you said 4, because you are right. That's exactly what we would be doing. 2, 4. Now looking between 7 and 9. Who would be shorter? Yep, it'd be a 7 again. And then you would have 9. So this would be your arrangement. 2, 4, 7, and 9. You would arrange them just like that. Let's try one more set. Here again, we have 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's go ahead and put them together. So, which one would be our shortest? Our least? Obviously, the number 1. Yep. Now, who would come next? Who would be our next shortest? I hope you said it was Mrs. Gorski's favorite number, because it's the number 2. You would come next. Now we have 5 and 8. Who would be shorter? Hope you said 5 because you are right. It is 5. And then you would have your 8. So then this arrangement would look like this. 1, 2, 5, and 8. So that would be our ordering activity, boys and girls. I certainly hope you liked it. And again, have a great day, kindergarten. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.